Hello, my name is Taya and welcome to Preston Audi. Today I'll be talking about is the approved use Audi A1 Sportback Sport finished in the modern Cortina White paintwork. This 2023 model comes with a petrol engine with 110 PS and a manual transmission, delivering impressive fuel efficiency. The top features include the striking LED headlights paired with dynamic rear indicators for great visibility, stylish 16-inch alloy wheels, electric folding wing mirrors, sleek badging around the entire vehicle including A1 and 30 TFSI badging, and this is all topped off with rear parking sensors for awkward manoeuvres. This is alongside a spacious 335-litre boot capacity for all your travel essentials, so you'll be covered whether it's a family day out or big food shop. In the rear, you'll find a luxurious full cloth trim for that comfortable look and feel, while the front houses a multifunctional leather steering wheel, complemented with a classy passenger dashboard, along with a large central touch display, climate control, a central console, and front full cloth seats. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data and audio and telephone connection. The cruise control is also available to assist out on the open road. Moving across, the large central touch display houses similar options, including various radio and telephone connections. From here, you can also find connection of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can also access and adjust the exterior lighting in addition to toggling the rain sensor. You can also access Audi Drive Select, which offers a range of driving modes to suit you, whether it be for efficiency or for any other preferred driving style. Just below, the climate control offers an evenly distributed temperature to meet you and your passengers' needs. This is alongside the central console that features a storage compartment with 2 USB-C charging ports, a gear stick, and 3 cup holders. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.